So this is our compound auto flow system. It's a Dosatron brand pump. It's got the Dwyer hydrominder here. So this is how it comes fully assembled out of the box. You basically just have to add this tubing onto it. So your fresh water would go in here. It's a your regular garden hose connection, and then the mixed water with the compound comes out here, so you can control it. So your intake would drop down into either your 55-gallon drum or your 5-gallon bucket, and that just sits down there, and it automatically draws the compound or solution up. And you set your mixture here, so obviously you can go higher or lower on your percentage for your mixture, and then it's going to be automatically mixed. So when you go to fill your barrels, or if you're running this in a constant setup, it's just going to automatically flow through here at whatever rate you set.